Einstein. The name just means genius, right? Well, the real story is way more complex and interesting.
So, what does a genius actually look like? Are they born that way? Einstein's story isn't what you'd expect. Believe it or not, in 1905, a 26-year-old patent clerk changed how we see the universe. How? His start in life showed zero signs of greatness. In fact, he was a late talker, which worried his parents. He wasn't exactly a social butterfly. Other kids called him Brother Boring because he just kept to himself. Even his own headmaster told his dad he'd never amount to anything. Talk about a rough start. He was a total rebel. He hated the strict school rules, so at 15, he just left. But a move to a more liberal city in Switzerland changed everything. His mind finally had room to grow. And in Zurich, it wasn't just physics that caught his eye. He also met a fellow student, Mileva Maric. He saw her as a true partner, mixing science and affection while dreaming of breakthroughs together. But after graduation, nothing. He really struggled, eventually landing a job as a patent clerk. So while he was reviewing other people's inventions, he was secretly developing his own world-changing ideas. And then came 1905, his miracle year. At just 26, he published 4 papers that changed everything. One paper introduced his special theory of relativity. Basically, time and space aren't fixed. Mind-blowing, right? And he had this amazing way of explaining things, making complex ideas seem super simple and relatable. From that theory, we got the world's most famous equation, forever linking mass and energy. This was the start of an incredible run that would cement his place as a scientific legend. Then, a 1919 eclipse proved his theory of gravity was right. Suddenly, Einstein was a global celebrity. But while his professional life was soaring, his personal life with Mileva was completely falling apart. His life entered a whole new chapter. He remarried, then fled Germany for the US as Nazis came to power. In America, his work took on a terrifying new urgency as he confronted the awesome power of the atom. So his legacy isn't just an equation. It's the story of a complex, rebellious, and, truly beautiful mind.